Liam Cymru enw i. Nôl yn 2014, nes I prynu'r capel sy'n tu ôl I ni, Capel Engedi, yn Gaernarfon, gyda breuddwyd o dechrau menter cymdeithasol, o troi yn ôl I canolfan cymdeithasol a canolfan addysg a arloesi. Da ni'n dechrau hefo gofod artistiaid ac yr artist in residence da ni'n gweithio hefo rwan ydy Artists Anonymous.
We're Artists Anonymous. We're contemporary artists. We've sold works to the likes of Saatchi Collection, Sammlung Zander's Collection, and Deutsche Bank. Across the years, we've exhibited with Banksy. We've had a series of exhibitions around Zurich, Los Angeles, New York, Berlin, and Stockholm. Now we are in Carnarvon, North Wales. We've travelled across England and it only made sense to end up in Wales because in Wales we found so much beauty and so much talent.
Ti ddim sylwi faint mor anodd fydd o I cael o I fyny fel prosiect. Mae lot o herion. Un o'r problemau mwyaf sydd gennym ni ar y funud ydy'r to a mae'r dŵr sydd wedi bod yn pydru fewn ac y gwaith plastar anghygol sydd yma I dechrau ddisgyn. Ac heblaw hynna, mae'r cyflwyn yn ocê, dwi'n meddwl, yr adeilad.
We're currently working on restoring Capel Engedi. We're hoping to give back to the community and offer a space where people can come and look at exhibited artworks. One of this will be an exhibition of a series of paintings we're currently working on for our new show called Hope.
Gen I breuddwyd o weld y capel yma yn ôl yn calon y cymuned hefo pobl yn dŵad a rhannu wybodaeth a addysg cymdeithasol lle mae y cymuned ei hun yn rhoi addysg i'n gilydd fel yr oedd o yn gyda'r petroladfa yn Patagonia.
Throughout the years, being world-renowned artists have given many opportunities that we can now bring to Wales. We have a lot of supporters and a lot of collectors who've stuck with us over the years, who are eager and excited to support the project that we're doing now in North Wales. With our first show happening here, we are hoping to basically travel across the seas and do a series from there, introducing also Welsh artists and bringing them over to Asia and bringing Welsh artists to Europe, in turn creating a sort of exchange for the arts.
Dwi'n siŵr be ydy'r dyfodol efo prosiectau cymunedol fel hyn, ond gobeithio bydd pethau'n troi allan ocê.